Hello guys, welcome back to the third devlog of Botify. It's been 4 months since I posted my last devlog video, and today I'm back to share what I have added to the game. First of all, we thought to change the name of the game. It will be announced in the next devlog. Not just the name, but also the full game. We thought not to add a story mode. We also changed a bit of game style and gameplay. First, we actually removed what we don't want in the game, like this pillar. So we got more space in the map to add some other good stuff. Then we added these chests and added animations and particle effects to the game. Plus, we also added teleporting in the game. Now the players can teleport to other islands. I designed other 2 islands in the game, which looks good so far. Then I moved on to buildings. I designed some building parts in Blender and added to the game. These buildings are just prototypes, and the better ones will be added to the game later. Now here comes Jimmy. This is Jimmy. He is like a weapon in the game. Sounds crazy, right? I made the player to be able to pick up Jimmy and throw him. This is what we did in the last 4 months. The development is pretty slow because we had to delete and change some things in the game. We thought to make the game a funny game. That's it for this devlog. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It means a lot to us. See you guys in the next devlog.